This hotel sucks. What's wrong? I got no sleep. Every 15 minutes, this loud noise of banging woke me up. Oh, I'm so sorry for that.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
How was your stay, guys? Terrible. The guy in the room beside us was snoring so loud that we had to bang on the wall every 15 minutes to wake him up.
Know that they ride or die. Why they wanna move like that? Where you want going?